I think I'm going for you. Girl, what type of omen do you use? That devil up in that red dress, got undressed and redressed, she be teased. I took my 3 L's to the head, not expecting this death I'm receiving. So when you gon' poke that thing out for a real player, know I'm talking about. She said that her brain vibrates way higher than the games that I'm playing now. Oh my God, you're so intelligent, evidently you are heaven sent. I wanna waste all my time with you. Don't focus on her getting money. That's what Weezy taught me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that chick loving, why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me. And that man know he right. Showed you right, yeah. 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 Here goes some brand new flavor for your ear. If you smell me, throw your nasal in the air. Been a player since the game was Sega, so believe me when I say that I ain't waiting for no basic ladies there. But you ain't as basic as I thought you was or something. I mean, like, I ain't think you was dumb or nothing, because my mind spun from your quiet tongue, speaking none. Now I'm thinking when the time comes, we may wind up together or whatever, like. But I should be chasing cheddar, right? So I'ma eat my Cheetos as I listen to her veto, try to tell me that these women mean zero, and a nigga is my hero, so I gotta believe him. I got big dreams, man, I gotta achieve them. If them chicks don't choose, then you just gotta leave them. Even when you feel like that may be the one, I guess. Don't focus on her getting money. Ooh-wee. That's what Weezy told me. And that man never lied. You worry about who that chick loving, why don't you get money? That's what Khalifa taught me.
So I'm gonna go ahead and mist my hair with the oil right now because I don't want to create too much frizz. And at this point, if I spray this oil and it does make my hair revert or something, I can just go ahead and retwist it really fast. So I'm gonna try this out right now. And this is also a frizz reducer. Alright, so now I'm just going to separate them a little bit. And as I separate, I'm going to, you know, make sure that I'm getting that oil on there. Making sure I'm smoothing the oil.
And that man know we right. Showed you right, yeah. Showed you right, yeah. Showed you right, yeah. Showed you right, yeah.
Alright, so there it is right now without any picking. But I do want to change my part. I think I want to put my part over here. So I'm going to move this over. Hopefully it'll act right.
Show you right, yeah. Show you right, yeah. Lames catch feelings, we catch fly, fly, fly. Lames catch feelings, we catch fly.
Use a little bit of edge control, which I have this beautiful textures edge control. I can't remember where I got this. It was at an event, so I would want to shout that event out, but I cannot remember. So I'm gonna just put a little bit on my edges, which I rarely do because I usually don't care about my edges. But
Lames catch feelings, we catch flies, flies.
there we go.
Sweet cats, flies, flies, flies. But I just want a wife, 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 I want